So the first point which I've written here is learn, learn, learn. I've told you how to learn now, just now, from the task to comprehension. The second point I've written here is, which I've already discussed with you, which is, don't mess anymore in your life this year. You've messed up enough. The only fun which you will have this year before you pass out is serendipity. Because to me, that is not fun. That is, an output is fun. The input is totally learning. I mean, if I had my way, I would have given GPA for serendipity. I'm still working with the faculty to see whether serendipity we can get GPA. They have done some kind of exercise to see we give some marks to people who participate in serendipity and participate well and comprehend the problem and give solutions and really do it nicely, because there are things which you have to, nothing is done by anybody in serendipity except the students. When in 2 days you have to spend lots of money and you have to do it well at a particular level, and everything is to be done by the students. So that's a project. So once you have to do that project with teams formed, that's also part of your PJPM program. And that's the second year program. The first year program, it starts, ideally, is through the Road Track Club. So what we had originally done, that first years, as they get towards the end of their first year, they start participating in Road Track Club activities, and they continue to do that for 2 years. And the second year, do the serendipity. These are the two outlet points of learning, apart from class studies. So these we have kept as two non-class learning exercises for the students. But for that, it's all classroom exercises. It's all teaching exercises. So be focused, become an individual. Think about yourself only. Don't think of anyone else. And face the challenge. Do not say, मेरे से नहीं होगा. If you say मेरे से नहीं होगा, तब तो कभी भी नहीं होगा. You know, what happens after you say मेरे से नहीं होगा? होगा? नहीं होता है ना? अगर आपसे नहीं होगा, तो why are you coming here to the class? Just pay me fees. I'm happy. But if you say, शायद हो जाए मेरे से, then come to the class. Only then you come to the class. Because then you are giving yourself a chance. But even after saying all this, I know there will be 30, 40, 50% students who internally will say, मेरे से नहीं होगा. Because it's a 20-year culture. I can't take it out in one day, unfortunately. But maybe some people will change after these kind of talks. Maybe some people will listen. Maybe some people will say, let me try. Let me see something happens or not. Because you have nothing to lose if you try. You have everything to gain if it happens. If a guy who is getting 5.5, let us say, GPA, cumulative GPA, if he passes out with 7.6, will he mind? He will not mind. And that has happened in GPAs. 4.2 to 7.2. 4.6 to 7.6. Plenty, not one or two. 10, 15 people have done. Just after the LNI. Not through marketing class, finance class, only through LNI classes it has happened. Because some people have, who wanted to do but never got an opportunity, suddenly start feeling that what have I got to lose, let me go for it. And that's all I want. I want them to go for it. Once they start going for it, we are all with them. We will support them. And that's the equation. That is the relationship. That, sir, I'm trying, but I'm getting stuck here. Okay, you're getting stuck here. This is what we do. That's the relationship. But if you're not trying, then there is no relationship. Just pay me the fees. That's all. You understand very clearly? So that's the second point. The third point is, sooner or later, by October, November, there will be a CRP activity which will start. We call it a corporate relationship program. And I have always believed that we don't want to psych ourselves with placement, the word placement, but we are more comfortable having relationships with corporates. So which is why it's called CRP. It's called a corporate relationship program. So it's a relationship program. And relationship is a two-way exercise. Placement is a one-way exercise. I come, hire, go. It's one-way exercise. So what happens in a two-way exercise? We get feedback. Like you've done SIP now. There will be presentations next 6-7 days on SIP. but we will get in touch with all the companies who work and take an assessment of your work from the company. And so far, our track record, our boys' track record in SIP is much better. So when the interview takes place, we tell the corporate to write, what did you think about this guy, what was his strength, and where did he mess up. So if the corporate feels that his fundamentals are poor, it's a reflection of the student as well as the teachers. Well, did the teacher not teach properly? Because when you have a heterogeneous class, where some people are learning faster than another set of people, the teacher's role becomes very difficult. It's a very scientific problem. It's a problem which teachers have to deal with. At times they deal with well, at times they don't. So we get that feedback, and we obviously get the feedback of all the students as well in terms of what has happened. Now that feedback will come back to you. So that nobody gets those kind of feedback, I'm addressing the issue today. Please understand. Because we will anyway know from the companies at that point of time how you have fared if you have got an opportunity for it. There are very fixed rules of CRP. We have fixed number of opportunities, and if those opportunities go away, it's not that you won't get more, but the institute is not bothered after that. The institute is driven more by the opportunities it gives, not the number of job offers you get. So make that very, very clear. If in those opportunities you don't pick up a job offer, then you are on the panel. CRP only works for 5 opportunities. And once they work for those opportunities, and this time we are putting the minimum GPA factor also in, those people, there will be retraining to do in terms of the development. One very major thing I want to tell you day one today, the market still has not improved, notwithstanding what other, you can see the budget. The budget clearly shows that the situation is very grim. So if the mindset, and it's very psychological, if the mindset is not very positive, then I'll only hire as much as I need to. Number one, I will only hire the best. I only hire a guy if he's very good. So those factors start coming in. There were years when people did not consider those factors so seriously when they hired a fresh guy. But today, all those factors are coming into play. So you will have to be extremely careful on these factors. Second point, you will have huge difficulty in getting a job outside the campus. Because nobody is going to a bus stand to say, hey, come here, I'll give you a job. Nobody does that. So the opportunity for job which you have will be as long as you're inside the campus, far more than outside the campus. And in that, please, for God's sake, and this is the condition I'm putting in, any feedback you get on this, please report to me. Please don't be choosy about the job. This market is not in a position to give you chosen job. The best it can do is to give you a job. Just put that in your pocket and walk out smilingly. Do anything with it later. Don't be a fool. What you should do is if you get an offer, to get that itself will be tough. If you get an offer, take that offer. The company will give it, the institute will give you the offer. Keep it in your pocket. Join the company. Now you are working. Now working guy gets a job. A non-working guy doesn't get a job, because I'll keep on asking, why did you get a job from your campus? Even in normal experience situation, when a person comes and is not working and he's left his company, let's say 6 months back, we never hire such people. What is he doing 6 months? Why did he leave the company? Did he fight with his boss, or did he do something wrong? Why has he left? And why is he not got? Which means if a guy is left and not doing anything, he did not leave to get another job. Otherwise, why should he be sitting today? We don't hire such people. Similarly, if there is campus interviews going on, everybody knows, and you get out of the campus and look for a job, unless you have influential dad and uncle and aunties and all those, for your own right, it will be almost impossible. However, for some reason, you get a job and you work for 3 months, 6 months, and you're not reconciling yourself, you have a job. Now you can always look for the job you want to get.